Today I'm making a Mt Cook Alpine Salmon with an orange and jalapeno rub with a beautiful herby salsa on top. Start with 1.5 teaspoons per salmon fillet, grown in fresh ice cold water around Aoraki, Mt Cook. It's got a really beautiful, delicate texture. Throw it in the oven and bake it. We will make the salsa. Start with 1 juicy lime. You can also use a lemon. Get the sugar, give that a little stir. We shall zest our orange, and then we'll juice half. And then going to get some fresh Italian parsley leaves, beautiful fresh dill. Chop that up with those little pickled jalapenos. Please use a sharp knife, everyone. And then we'll mix it all together. Hello. My favorite way of eating this dish is served with a toasted baguette and a fresh green salad on the side. Delicious.